Alright, here we come to the freight elevator at the George R. Brown Convention Center in downtown Houston, Texas. Now, I'm not sure if this is a Schindler or an MEI. I'm doing a much better take on this. This one has a 4-position indicator on the ground. Alright, let's call it.
Perfect.
And here it is. Here it comes. Alright, I think it's here. Yep, it's here. Let's open the door. It's got Corian manual doors. It's a hospital-sized elevator. Alright, let's close this up. Alright, shut the gate. This thing comes down so hard, so I'm not going to let it slam. And I'm not sure if you can see up the shaft. Anyway, these are your fixtures. Here the passenger elevator. Alright, let's go up to 3. Here we go. Alright, we'll get a quick capping and then we're going to head back down and get off. Just your basic freight elevator. These are your fixtures. Let's go back down to 1 and we'll end there. You can kind of see up there. Yeah, you can. I'm going to do these fixtures. I've never been on an MEI freight elevator with manual doors, or any modern elevator with manual doors. It's kind of slow. Button goes out. All right, now the elevator stops. This gate is a little bit heavy. All right, let's close the gate. I'm going to close it down very slowly because this thing comes down so quickly. All right, now this. This thing's a lot easier to operate. Alright. There it goes, and that's it.